Back to Seek Review, the channel where we unbox, break down, and review some of the dopest kicks in the game. Today we've got a super clean pair to look at, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Infrared. Straight fire in a box, and I can't wait to show you the details. Let's get this box open and see what we're working with. First impressions? This pair is mean in the best way. The upper is crafted in a tonal gray Durabuck, soft to the touch but built to last. You've got those classic black TPU mesh inserts that add a modern edge and keep your feet breathing, whether you're rocking these for style or performance. And look at those hits of infrared. That pop on the lace wings and tongue really sets these off. Perfect contrast against that cool gray. And yes, that visible air unit in the midsole isn't just for looks. You're getting that real deal cushioning every step of the way. Jordan 4s are legendary for a reason. From the tech straps for added support to the heel tabs that give it that OG feel, every detail serves a purpose. These aren't just sneakers, they're a statement. You can throw these on with jeans, cargos, even shorts. They instantly elevate your fit. And whether you're hitting the streets or just flexing on the gram, these infrareds turn heads without trying too hard. That's gonna do it for today's unboxing and review of the Air Jordan 4 Retro Infrared. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a cop or drop for you? And if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you never miss another sneaker drop. This is Seek Review, bringing you the heat one unbox at a time. Catch you in the next one. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover always on the hunt for the perfect blend of style, quality, and affordability, then /SNKKICK or you should be at the top of your list. This online destination is a go-to spot for high-quality sneakers and fashion items that rival the best in the game. Whether you're into classic silhouettes, the latest limited releases, or trendy streetwear, /SNKKICK or you offers an impressive range of products to suit every style and budget. What sets them apart is their dedication to authenticity. You're not just getting stylish kicks, you're getting premium, well-crafted pieces you can trust. From the moment you land on their site to the day your package arrives at your door, the entire experience is smooth, secure, and customer-focused. With affordable prices, secure payment methods, and fast, reliable shipping, shopping at /SNKKICK.ru feels like a win from start to finish. Plus, their excellent customer service means you're never left in the dark. They're responsive, professional, and always ready to help. If you're serious